சார் ஜாபு வெட்டி எடுத்தாச்சுங்க சார். ஹோல்ஸ் போட்டு அனுப்புகிறேன். ஹோல்ஸ் போட்டு வந்தோன்னா உங்களுக்கு நான் கால் பண்ணுறேன்.
சூப்பர் சார், ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ். உங்கள் வாய்ஸ் மெசேஜ்க்காக வெயிட்டிங். சார், ஹோல் டயாமீட்டர் வந்து 5.5 mm சார். In the first meeting itself, I gave him the idea and design of the foot stop. I wanted to be very simple, and we initially thought of making it in metal. And the other day when he bought the materials, he showed me the materials that he bought, the 4mm SS plate, and on that day itself, he showed me some metal aluminium L-angle piece wherein it can be used or modified as a foot stop, for this LDP DIY LDP setup. I told him I would use the wooden foot stop which I myself made out of that dancing longboard deck, the extra piece, the excess piece, after shaping the dancing longboard into the DIY, the LDP kind of deck, so I told him I will make use of that, because the idea is to reduce the weight of the complete setup as much as possible, so that was thing which I forgot to share it earlier. And people in the West, or people who have plenty of access to the spare parts of skateboarding or longboarding, might be wondering why this guy is talking about foot stop and everything. You get it for a few bucks there, but in India you don't get them at all. Actually, you don't get the bushings, you don't get the common cheaper stuff, which you would find it for replacement in your everyday life of skateboarding and longboarding. You don't get those stuff in the stores. There are, factually speaking, there are very, very few. You could count it with your hands, the number of skate shops all over India, that is there all over India. So it's very rare actually. So that's why I thought of making one of my own, So, and if you're going to import them to India from other market or other country, it's going to be expensive, as I told or speak about such things in my every video, So that's the reason. Hope you guys understand. And yeah, it's progressing good. So on the very same day, welder WhatsApp messaged me an image. The image contained the central support and the metal plates, the front and rear fork. It had holes in them, so looks like he has drilled holes to those central support and the metal plates, front and rear forks. And the central support, as of now, had some couple of extra holes than the ones which I told him. I did not expect that anyways. So very close holes, if I have to drill a hole on my deck matching to that central support, that'll be too close, I did not expect that, but we have to go in person to the workshop and think about what we can do further, or instruct him to weld it or cut it according to the angle that I require, to build the LDP setup. So I have to go in person to the workshop to make the decision. And the welder also mentioned that we will meet after the Sankranti festival, or the Pongal festival, as in people in Tamil Nadu would call it. It's the festival of farmers. So it's going to take a week's time, and so it's a holiday for complete week, so it's a wait game now before I visit his workshop. So I kind of updated the same with my father, so I was kind of copying to all the messages that I sent to the welder or the welder sends to me, like I'm kind of keeping a copy to my father. I just want this entire thing to be transparent, and I want him to be aware of what is happening with this project, the progress and everything, so I also sent him the very same image to my father, and I told him that the holes which has been drilled to the central support or to the metal plates, the image that he sent me, it kind of appears to be slightly bigger than the measurements which we sent him, the old school or the new school, whatever. It has to be 5.5 or 5.6 mm, but the holes in the image that he sent me appears to be slightly bigger. I'm not sure about this. I could not conclude anything with this image alone, but it appears to be bigger, and I also told my father that if this holes are going to be bigger, I'm going to go and tell those people that let's cancel this project, let's stop doing this or taking it any further, we'll drop it just like that, because it's going out of hand, and their work or the way I communicate or like they understand things, it's going very unreliable, not in the direction that I am wanting it to go, So I told my father that I would cancel this entire project, and I'll think that whatever money we have invested so far, as a loss, complete loss, and then I'll start saving, and I'll buy the materials on my own. I'll buy the tools necessary on my own, and build this complete LDP setup, all by myself. That's what I told my father. So my father was like, okay, if that was your decision, but let's wait for a week's time. Let's go to his workshop, and we'll check about the progress or like how things are like, and then we'll make a decision. Okay. And he was fine with either of my decisions. So it's a week time. I have to wait. I have to be patient. It's definitely nail biting for me. I can't be so patient anyways, but okay. Yeah. Let's wait. So later that night, I was sitting in front of the computer, looking for a solution to reduce this bigger size hole into a smaller size hole, which is needed for this project, which is like 5.5 mm, to build this LDP longboard setup. I had two options actually. For one was like I wanted to weld and fill the hole completely, grind with the angle grinder and make it like as if the hole was not there at all, ever, idea number two was like when I was looking online, this is much more simple actually. So when I was looking online, and I happened to find this YouTube video wherein like one person was using a metal paste to fill in the hole which he drilled onto a old engine block. I mean, like he is working on a modular engine, like converting the old engine to a new engine. So he has drilled a bigger hole. So now he is filling it with this metal paste and put the bolt and tighten it. When it got all cured, like the metal paste, the compound was too good that it acted like a metal itself, as if it was there on the engine block all the time. Like it was able to handle all the vibrations that engine block was giving. So I was wondering like if this metal paste could be of a good use in my project, where in skateboarding or longboarding or the LDP kind of longboard that I'm trying to build, why am I taking the example of this metal paste from an automotive industry? Because like engine block is something where like you'll get so much vibration. Any normal hand tight of a metal bolt or a nut wouldn't keep them in place, unless and until this metal paste was too good enough, like to be acting like a metal itself. So I thought like I could use this metal paste and tighten my nuts and bolts in my skateboard. That's what my idea, thinking all positive and everything, and still with a little bit of worry that how the welder is going to respond, because I'm going to tell him like the holes are bigger and there is something wrong in that, so we need to use this metal paste and everything, so I was still puzzled and worried, but I messaged him the link of this video on a WhatsApp. I also copied the same message to my father as well. So immediately the welder messaged me back with double thumbs up. I was happy that he took it in the right way. That's what I want to assume. So yep. But for now, he has seen the message and that's it. And we do not know what we are going to do in actually, to that pieces of metal that we have as a metal front fork and a rear fork and the central support. I have to go to the workshop and make my decision. So it's going to be two things. Either, as I told to my father, whether I might have to cancel this project entirely, or I have to find a solution to make this work somewhere. I actually wanted to make this work some way, one way or the other, because I have put so much energy and so much planning into this project, planning this stuff, for a long time. And I really don't want to disturb the welder or call him during this festive season or the holiday time or his vacation or personal time. So I also chose to wait for this entire week, and I'm going to wait and let's take it after that, hoping for good. So I went to Amazon India and I was looking for this metal paste, and I was lucky that I happened to find this metal paste on Amazon India itself, and it was costing for a certain amount and for the certain amount of quantity that is there for that particular tube. There were different levels of hardness as well, different types of compounds. And if you think about the budget that I was allocating for the dancing longboard or to the metal plates and the front and rear forks, the central support and the service charge for that, and considering the collateral damage stuff, this metal paste was not part of that collateral damage thing. I'd never imagined that at all. It is over the budget of my collateral damage thing. So I'm still considering to buy this metal paste because I have put in too much human hours in thinking and planning about this project, and I dreamt it a lot, that I really wanted to make this happen, so I want to go over my way and somehow make this happen. So that's why I was considering to buy this metal paste. I did not buy it till now. I'm not going to buy it now. I wanted to go to the workshop after this vacation and everything, and see it in person, the metal plates, and decide for myself, So yeah, it's a wait game now. So I'm kind of starting here from my home by 9:25 a.m. or so, I could reach there, a little early, or at least on time, That's what I'm planning to, but my stomach says otherwise. So I got to check with that, and I hardly had any sleep yesterday, so and my father won't be able to join me today. He is going to the dentist to fix his tooth, so I'm all by myself, and I absolutely have no idea what I'm going to do today. Say what if the holes are bigger as I saw in the WhatsApp image that he sent me, to cancel the project or to go ahead with this project. Somehow my heart says I have to make this happen, but my heart is also pumping in anxiety, But my mind is completely blank today. Completely blank. Absolutely have no idea what I'm going to do. I'm taking some cash with me. So let's see. Karthik. I am Krishna. Thank you. YouTube எடுத்துக்கிறேன். So we kind of have a mutual understanding, and we have overcome all the mistakes that we had when we have been communicating with each other with a new design. We have a 8 mm hole here which is supposed to be 5.5 mm. So we found a rivet washer which could manage this hole. So we are going with this design. This is a chassis which is an imitation like an mongoose board. I'll put the image when I show you the video. So and here we have the front plate drilled with holes. We are going to weld this plate to the matching angle of 12 degree. Okay, and we have a rear plate which is similar to this. We're going to cut that and weld it to 45 degree to achieve the 0 degree angle. So as of now, the stainless steel plates are ready. These are 4 mm thick, and we're going to go ahead with the cutting procedure. Okay, so this is one fine Monday morning after the Pongal festive. I have really pampered them and troubled them too much, but they are very kind. So things are going good. Okay. We just trimmed the chassis to our requirement. Now moving forward with the front and rear plates. ஆமா நம்ம மெஷர் பண்ணோம் இல்லையா ரைட். Front plate is ready. We are going with the rear plate. Peace. The rear plate is also ready. We are going to weld it to our chassis. It's almost inspired from mongoose board, I should say, and long distance pumping board inspired from mongoose board. So they are prepping the welding machine here, and seems like etna watt is it? Okay, I'll put this specification in the screens later. They are just prepping the earth wire here, and after which they will place the plates and weld it. Okay. Here are the cutted plates. The front one is for about, rear one is about 4 inch, front one is about 5 inch. This one is about 30 inch. We trimmed off just half an inch here to suit this. My board is about 28.5 inch, which is like 28.75 inch actually, due to the uneven edges which I cut it. Peace.